Once upon a time, there was a farmer who planted a bamboo seed in his garden. Every day he watered the seed, cared for it, and made sure it had the right sunlight. He watched over it diligently, hoping to see it grow. But days turned into weeks and weeks turned into months, and nothing happened. He felt frustrated. Why isn't it growing? He wondered. Am I doing something wrong? Many people would have stopped watering the seed by now, thinking it was useless. But the farmer didn't give up. He kept watering the seed, nurturing it every single day. And then, after 5 years, something amazing happened. The bamboo tree began to grow incredibly fast, sometimes as much as 90 feet in just a few weeks. How could this happen? The answer is simple but powerful. During those 5 years, the bamboo was not inactive. Underground, it was developing a strong root system, a foundation that would support its incredible growth. Those years of patience and unseen effort were not wasted. They were essential for the bamboo to reach its full potential. And here's the lesson for all of us. Personal growth works the same way. Often we plant seeds of our dreams, whether it's learning English, starting a new habit, or pursuing a goal, and we may feel frustrated when we don't see immediate results. But just like the bamboo tree, real growth happens beneath the surface first. Every effort, every step, every small action we take is building our foundation. Patience is not waiting passively. It's actively nurturing yourself, trusting the process, and believing that your hard work will eventually pay off. So if you're feeling stuck today, remember the bamboo tree. Keep watering your seeds. Keep learning, practicing, and improving every day. Your breakthrough may be closer than you think. Patience and perseverance are the keys to personal growth. Keep nurturing your dreams. And one day, like the bamboo tree, you will grow higher than you ever imagined.